Ever wanted to capture action footage like this? Then stay tuned to discover an easy setup. Well, hey everyone, this is Brother D, and I want to welcome you back again as I share 3 more products related to recording flight video. And the ones I'm going to share with you today are how I obtain cockpit video, specifically video that faces the pilot and passengers. Now the first product I want to share with you is the APEMAN A79 4K camera with external microphone. I want to let you know there's one that's really similar to this product. In fact, I ordered it mistakenly first of all. I cannot remember the model number, but the one that's real similar is a 4K camera, but it does not have an external mic. Now the thing I like about the one that did not have the external mic is it came with a really handy carrying case that had compartments for your camera and all accessories. This particular model, which has the external mic, did not come with a case. So I'm going to let you know that up front. You will not get a handy case with it. I did purchase a case separately, which is one supplied by Amazon Basics, and I'll put a link in the description below. But this is the camera I use, and I really like the external mic feature because I can feed in my cockpit audio into the camera, which is extremely important. The other product I use is the Nflightcam digital audio recording cable, and I want to show that to you real quick. I'm going to unpackage it. This is the original bag that it came in, and I keep it in there at all times. It's just a great way to store it. I also keep the paperwork with it. Right here is the paperwork, but you simply undo the cord, and once you've undone the cord, you have this end which plugs into the aircraft, and this is the end that you plug into the camera. You'll notice I have an adapter to make it fit my APEMAN camera. This is an adapter I ordered specially, and I'm going to provide a link in the description below to find this exact piece because it took quite a bit of searching, quite a bit of time to find this item. But you just connect this here, and it plugs into the side of your camera right here. And I'm going to demonstrate this in the actual Cessna 150 in just a moment. Now, this little mounting bracket, this square bracket at the top, was supplied by APEMAN cameras. It's really nice because your camera just clicks right in, and it looks like this. So it works really well. Now the piece I have here on the bottom, which is attached to the square bracket, this is the Garmin Virb mount, and I'm going to provide a link in the description below so you can find this item. And this is what mounts the camera to the top of the panel. Now I'm going to demonstrate that in the Cessna 150 in just a moment, and I want to encourage you to watch the following footage. So right now I'm going to show you how to click this Garmin Virb mount into the holder or the bracket. So it's going to be located right up here. Let me show it to you. Right there, that little gizmo. So here we go. It's going to set right in here, right like that. And there's a little handle here, if I can get a hold of it with my thumb and push it around. Right like that. That locks it into place. And there it is. All I have to do is adjust the angle on it, get it turned on and see what I can see through the viewfinder, make sure it's all set up and ready to go. Now let me show you how to put it in the audio cable. Here's the audio cable. Plug it right there. And then you take this part right here, this piece, and I have an adapter on it so it'll fit with my APEMAN camera. And you plug that into the side of the camera. Let me show you how that's done. So that goes right into the side of the camera, right in here. I gotta squeeze it in. There's the APEMAN camera on the Garmin Virb mount, and you can see how the audio cable plugs into the side. And there's the mount. Let me show you how it fits into the adapter. Right like that. And all you do to finish the setup with the audio cable is just plug in your headset. And then you plug the remaining piece into this part right here. Put those two together, and you're ready to go. Pretty simple. So, as I climb into the airplane to do my pre-start checklist, you can get a basic feel for what I'm capturing. Clear, prop.
Danville traffic, Cessna 4068 Juliet, taxiing from the ramp to runway 12 Danville.
No, I'm not a quick change artist. The plane wouldn't start, so I'm sharing some footage I captured back in the summer. Footage that not only shows the camera view, but provides an idea of the sound quality with a basic PNR headset.
Danville traffic, Cessna 4068 Juliet, departing runway 1248 southeast departure.